I believe we need to promote healthy skin by organically feeding our skin cells what they need to thrive, and also by using the plant's natural energy to help skin regeneration. Healing Cream is an all-purpose skin relief herbal rich cream created for problem skin. It's a deep moisturizing cream designed to rescue and support your skin so that it bounces back to a healthier feel and state. Every nature-loving, wild-crafted ingredient I personally chose for my formula serves a specific therapeutic purpose for both the skin and the entire body combined. My healing ointment formula is made fresh in small batches. I called in nature by combining its very own high-performance superfoods of deeply moisturizing raw manuka honey, bee venom, exotic copaiba, turmeric, raw rich butters, shea, cocoa butter, ancient oils, hemp, herbs. It's filled with vitamins, and of course, our pure therapeutic essential oils. Use my rich organic cream for healing psoriasis, eczema, skin rashes, hives, acne spots, extreme dry skin, cracked skin. If your lips are cracked and dry at all, dab some on. For cracked heels, the bottom of your feet, put on every night with cotton socks, and you'll wake up with pretty feet. Really, this herbal blend can be used in so many ways. It's absolutely gorgeous. When you drink hot tea, the sublingual glands will absorb it almost immediately. The tea is absorbed through the mouth, then to all the cells of the body. My hope is that you truly benefit from this beautiful herbal blend and enjoy every sip. Cleanse your blood, detoxify your body, and all these things combined will support your entire immune system. God truly gave us everything we need.